Improve the quality of your welds while reducing your operational costs with Lincoln Electric's new Motorized slide and seam tracker systems. Each of these systems can be added to a hard automation, sub-arc, or MIG welding system to provide you with the simplest and most accurate solution for applications such as beams, pressure vessels, tanks, and cladding. Hard automation reduces human error and material waste and improves the overall quality of your welds. Customizable features make these systems the ideal choice over manual or semi-automatic welding in tough production environments. 3 easy steps are all it takes to get you on the right path to simpler, better welding. First, select your level of automation. Lincoln Electric's Motorized slide control system allows the operator to manually track the joint using an intuitive joystick pendant. This system is best for simple, repetitive welding applications. Lincoln's seam tracker system delivers a higher level of automation with precise automated weld joint tracking. The seam tracker includes the additional option of advanced programming control, which makes it possible to program the entire weld sequence with position-based or time-based commands, and includes 19 memories for frequently used weld programs. Once you have selected your system, you can decide which cross slide is best for your application: the CS40, CS250, or CS450. When selecting a cross slide, consider weight and travel distance. The number of each slide designates the weight capacity it can support. For example, the CS40 supports 40 pounds. Stroke lengths are available in 3x3 inches or 6x6 inches for the CS40 cross slides, and in 5x5 inches or 10x10 inches for the CS250 and CS450 models. To meet your specific needs, Lincoln offers special stroke length cross slides for the CS250 and CS450 models up to 60 inches in 5-inch increments. If you initially selected the Motorized slide control system, then you're ready to weld. If you chose the seam tracker system, your third and final step is to select the seam sensor tip for your application. Each tactile seam sensor tracks the joint by responding to the probe tip movements in both the X and Y axes and sends position feedback to the controller. This sensor feedback loop enables the system to maintain 5/1000ths of an inch accuracy to keep the arc aligned in the joint. Lincoln Electric offers 15 standard sensor tip styles to support almost any application. Both the Motorized slide control system and the seam tracker system are easy to set up and easy to use. They can be integrated with almost any welding power source, feeder, and controller group. Each system is available in a variety of 1-packs to make selecting accessories simple and get you started faster. Backed by Lincoln Electric's history of providing reliable equipment and world-class support, the Motorized slide control and seam tracker systems are the superior choice in hard automation.